At least 30 people have been killed and over 50 injured after two coaches of the Dehradun-Varanasi Janta Express derailed in Uttar Pradesh's Raebareli district. Now, the accident took place as the train was coming to a stop at the Bachravan railway station around 30 kilometers from Raebareli. Reports suggest a brake failure and the engine and two compartments were hit. One of the coaches, which was a general compartment, has been crushed by the impact. Rescue operations have now been folded up. And Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu had tweeted on the incident saying he's ordered an inquiry and the report will be in public domain soon. An ex gratia also has been announced and that he is personally monitoring the action. He says that we are investigating much more money in safety and the budget focused on safety, as I feel saddened by the loss of life and injuries to our valued passengers. We must modernize crumbling infrastructure. He also tweeted to say we are prioritizing safety as the thrust area, thus even sourcing extra budget money for improving rail safety and aging infrastructure.
After over 5 hours, the rescue operations here at the accident site in Bachrava is finally over. We are standing here on that coach which was damaged, and as you can see, they had to cut off this entire coach in order to really see if any more people were trapped inside. Belongings of people still here, bags and clothes that are still struck here. The crane behind me is still working to try and take up the debris that has been lying here, and all these people that you see behind us have been working tirelessly since the morning to try and rescue as many people and save as many lives as possible. Now, of course, the death toll has been constantly rising and may go up further still. We still have to wait for a final confirmation from the railways. But this accident yet again puts the spotlight on the safety aspect of our Indian railways. Every budget, it prescribes enough amounts for railways modernization, but that doesn't seem to have helped at least till now. According to the railways, perhaps one of the reasons why this accident happened was due to a technical failure of the brakes. And if that is the case, then definitely it is time for railways to think about how they can upgrade or modernize their fleet to make sure that these accidents do not happen further on. With camera person Rajesh Gupta, Neha Masifa, NDTV.